Hi everyone, my name is Sarmad Ibrahim. I am technology evangelist and IBM Cloud architect, part of IBM innovation team within ICG. Today we are talking about AQUAHACKING 2019. I had amazing experience last year as a judge, as a part of the community there to help them with IBM technology. It was a really nice experience when we went through a lot of challenges together with the team, but I am sure this year everyone will enjoy it. It is fun, it is really nice technology, and it's second way. They done very good job in terms of bringing people together, and the outcome was great. Many ideas transferred to a startup or to a new business or companies. That's the whole idea. It's not necessary to be the winner, but maybe your idea it will be a good source of income for you in the future, a good job or a good company. Startup with IBM, this is the program we are providing to AQUAHACKING team. Any participant with AQUAHACKING 2019, he will be entitled to get to be part of Startup with IBM. What is this Startup with IBM? Let me explain what we have for you guys. It is fun, it is a new experience. What is a startup with IBM? It is up to $120,000 per year of technology usage credit towards IBM and Watson. If you have any idea and you need AI, artificial intelligence, to be part of your idea, to solve the challenge of water, to help you win AQUAHACKING, we are here to help you with that. Then what we have provide for you, experts, people, architects, part of IBMers, they have good experience to help you set up your cloud environment, your IOT, blockchain, AI, and data. All this, it will be available for you. The environment, the infrastructures you need in IBM Cloud, it will be available for you. This is how we can help you with this program to solve a real problem that you come up with. Then how it works, this one, okay? IBM will help you with, let's say you have an idea to solve the challenge of AQUAHACKING 2019. And you talk to us about your idea. We call it, this is the launch, when we launch the first meeting together to discuss your idea. We try to build it, of course, okay? And to build it, you need an infrastructure, and this infrastructure in the cloud, or you need certain software licenses, like database, like analytics, or your idea maybe is around analytics, and you need the best analytic in the world. Guess what? Watson Analytics is is available for you through this program. Many other products, software licenses is available for you. You can feel free to access them. Also, we try to connect you if your idea, we try to find out if your idea is working or no. And how we evaluate that. It's not me, it's not the technical people who evaluate your business idea from business perspective. It's our customer. We can connect you with the customer to find out, is this idea working? It's really solving a real problem? That's the whole idea, because if your idea is solving a real problem and the customer, they want it, then now we have big thump. You have a real startup in your hand. That's the whole idea, and this is the connection about. Then, now you can use a free credit from Watson, artificial intelligence, data analytic. If your idea to solve the problem, or your solution to solve the water problem of AQUAHACKING, the challenge, you want to use artificial intelligence, data analytic, Watson is all available for you. But to do that, you cannot jump to Watson. You'll ask me, how I use it? What is Watson? What is there? Okay? Or what is the capabilities? What is the technology you have in IBM? We give you a complete set of learning. We call it cognitive classes. Not only you will learn, but also this training, it will give you certificate. This certificate is to build your career. What I mean by that, you will have a badge. This badge, it will be linked to your LinkedIn profile, to your Twitter's account. It will have to build your image that really you have the knowledge and the skill about Watson or artificial intelligence or data analytics. We do have more than 180 classes available for you. Tap into communities. We can arrange for you. We do have a couple of incubators for IBM. We call them innovation centers. And we facilitate a lot of architect review meetings. We can do whiteboarding to help you to put your idea together. Not only that, also we help you to build your team. Then your company it will be set and ready. You are solving a problem for hackathon, but in the same time, if your idea tool works, then you will have some business impact out of it. And that's what we are doing together. It's not only to help you to help the AQUAHACKING to solve a real problem, but also we help you to build your own career. We help you to build your own startup company or your own business. That's how we can work together. Now, what are the benefits of the program? I will share that with you. Okay, first of all, you will receive a $1,000 per month when you start joining the program. This is from the minute we accept your application, and I will speak about it soon. Eligibility, to be eligible for that, you should be having a startup company, at least a company names, and also you are not making a 1 million. If you have a company, it should be not more than $1 million per year in revenue. That's the only eligibility to have our credit. Don't come to me with a company making more than 1 million and you're asking for a credit. That doesn't work, all right? Also, we have second tier, we call it premium. After a while, if you are using, let's say, $900 per month, and I see there is a good opportunity for you to have a customers, we can put you enroll with premium package. It is $10,000 per month, 1 year, $120,000 maximum US dollar maximum per year. And this is we explain about the builder package and premium. By the way, you will have access to my presentation. I will send the link to each of you through the AQUAHACKING team. I want to give you an example for the couple of startup company. They are working with us. How much is easy? Startup showcase. The gliding eagle using IBM blockchain onto IBM Cloud. So simple, okay? You will have access to IBM Cloud. Inside IBM Cloud, you'll see all blockchain. You will have access to license of blockchains or access to the blockchain itself. Then you can build your solution, as simple as that. Then you become part of the program. Or Dynapic, which is they create an app. This app called IO Kids create space for kids with IBM Watson text-to-speech. Text-to-speech is one of the capability of Watson. There is vision recognition. There is many other capability in Watson. Maybe we will talk about them later, but this is first. Let me give you the benefit of this program when you join AQUAHACKING teams. That's another example. Panamode use IBM Cloud for Mojis, where they save their drawings, their Mojis inside IBM Cloud. If you want to use IBM Cloud to save your data, that's what we mean. If you have picture, you have video, and you want to put your data, because artificial intelligence is all about data, and you need the storage, we provide that for you too. What is the process to join the program, and how we can help you? To join the program, first of all, okay, it has a couple of consideration, but we can work together, and I will send you a small link or email, welcome you to AQUAHACKING team. Then through that link, you fill a small survey, and then you get to create an IBM ID. After you create an IBM ID, you fill a small survey, then you are in. You can use the IBM Cloud. We will have another session, how to use the IBM Cloud, use Watson Artificial Intelligence, and to use a blockchain. That's a technical session, but this is after you join this program. Premium level is about give you more capability. If you want to use high speed like GPUs, or you want to build your own server, or you have certain requirement, we will work together towards that requirement. Then I'll put you in a premium in this scenario. This is the learning team. This is the classes, you will call it. We call it IBM Cognitive Classes. To get your certification, this is up to $1,200 US dollar value. You will receive from me a code to access the learning material, to get certified, to get IBM certification for Watson, for data, for big data, for analytics, for IoT, for blockchain. The certification is very important for you and for your career. That's what we mean by certification. Is actually a badge. That badge, it has linked to your career profile. I want to give example of my badges I have for you, because after you get the certification, you will get like Watson and the Cloud Foundation. This is not costing you more than 2 hours. Some of them, they are very simple to get. And it gives me the knowledge how to use Watson to my idea to help AQUAHACKING to solve a real problem. That's the whole idea. The idea is here to get certified, then you have the knowledge, the skills to fix the problem. Before that, it will be very difficult for you to understand what we have. Then the foundation, it will give you easy knowledge to access all the capability of IBM, and it will be great help for you to fix your solution in a proper way. If you have any questions, you can contact me by email or through LinkedIn. And if you want to enroll in the program, just send me a small email. I think Emily from AQUAHACKING team, also it can help you to enroll in this program. Thank you for everyone. Looking to work with you in AQUAHACKING 2019.